of the Holy Spirit. Amen. 14th station, Jesus lay enslaved in the tomb. We adore you, O Christ, and we praise you, for by your holy cross you have redeemed the world. Let us contemplate. After following Jesus all the way to Calvary, Mary now holds the lifeless body of Jesus and lays it nicely in the new tomb. And after rolling off the stone, goes back home with John, the beloved apostle, and other women who were at the foot of the cross. Let us pray. Dear Lord, rest there for a while, for we know on the third day you will rise. Help us to go through life's storms and struggles with your divine help, and one day see our glorious reward in heaven. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen.
Have mercy on us, O Lord. Have mercy on us.